the video generation has already started. Video generation has been started. Okay. Video will take its own time. In the meantime, I would like to just check, are you there in line with me or what? Give instructions over there. तुम्हाला कुठला पॉइंट पाहिजे, कुठला नकोय, प्रोफेशनल टोन पाहिजे, मेल व्हॉइस पाहिजे, फीमेल व्हॉइस पाहिजे, इंडियन ऍक्सेंट पाहिजे, फॉरेन ऍक्सेंट पाहिजे, whatever you want, you can note down over there. Madam, you need to go to videos. Are there with video overview? Now, click video, select language, then scroll it down, whatever language you have selected, go down. Khaliza, have you observed Marathi? Yes. You can choose, not generate. Choose any theme, and then what should the AI focus on? Give the instructions over there that you have to be concise, you have to be elaborative, you have to be focusing on examples, something like that. Give instructions, what should the AI host focus on? The AI host can focus on many things, like conciseness, like description, like adding examples, like creating infographics. Add few examples, add a few instructions rather, which you feel are more relevant.
Sir, I click here, video overview, and select the generate.
No, not like that. You have to click video overview. Click करा.
Yes.
आता इथे घ्या इंग्लिश किंवा मराठी जे तुम्हाला लँग्वेज पाहिजे ती. इंग्लिश ऑटो खाली स्क्रॉल करा, स्क्रॉल. Give some instructions.
Yes, I already gave it.
So you have to say, then yes. Click generate. It is already there. Has it started generating? Close.
I already did that.
Close it.
Where
scroll it down. Generating video overview you can find on the right hand side. On the screen, on the right hand side at the bottom, you can find generating video overview. It will take its own time. What should AI focus on? You can give instructions or you need not give an instruction. Click generate. Directly click generate. Click generate. It will take its own time now. खाली बघा right hand side ला generating overview है. Okay. Now you have to be there with me fast. The video generation is in progress. In the meantime, I can have many things getting generated. I would like to go But still it is possible. You can change the language you want to document. Like say you would like to write research paper, then you do not have time to read the entire paper. Download, keep them on the screen, Copilot, import it Copilot, and then I'm changing the mic. Okay. So here, the Copilot is your friend. All the research papers the Copilot will read, will give you guidelines. Everything. I have discussed so many things. इसका references दिखाओ, conclusion sections कहाँ पे दिखाओ, क्या कमी है, क्या add कर सकते हैं, title को इस तरीके से change कर सकते हैं. This is only one example of Copilot. You can use Copilot for hundreds of different types. Okay, so many applications are there. Please explore. We have very limited time, so I'm restricting use of Copilot, which is something different. Now, I would like to end up this session with a very, very important concept that is called as prompt engineering. So, I would like to understand from all of you in prompt, what are the stages which you should include for LLM, any prompt? What is the very first thing in prompt? Keywords are absolutely essential, but at the same time, what is the first step? Well, there are two ways of understanding prompt engineering. First is there is a 5-step model which is called as a create model. The other is a 3-step model. But me, I'll tell you 4-step model which is in between 3 and 5. So I want you to write down the very first stage is you have to write down who you are first. कागदावरती लिहा. There are 4 stages. First stage is who you are. Who you are, first stage. Second, who am I? Me कौन है? First is who you are. Second is who am I? Third, task. The task to be performed. This is third. Number 4, precautions. Precautions to be taken. Precautions to be taken. Got this? First stage, who you are. Second stage, who am I? Third stage, task. काम क्या करना है? Final stage, precautions to be taken. And with this, we will be concluding this session. I'm going to demonstrate it now. How this can be possible. Okay, pay attention now. तर ते गुगल मीट मध्ये सगळं स्क्रीन दिसतंय ना माझं. This is one Excel file wherein I have conducted certain experiments. I would like to explain this file. E, CV, and speed. There are 3 variables. I would like to show you in an Excel file. Okay. So first 3 variables. These are input parameters, and next all these brown colors are output parameters for the experiment which I have conducted. So I would like to generate a mathematical model. I'm going into mathematics by using AI tool. I have opened Word file, and now look at this, how I am following my guidelines. So I am writing over here, I'll just zoom this. Are you able to read now? You are expert mechanical engineer with an experience of 20 years. You are also an expert researcher in mathematics. The very first stage I'm clearing you over here is that who you are. You are an expert mechanical engineer with an experience of 20 years. You are also an expert researcher in mathematics. This is what I am telling to LLM, any AI tool. Remember that AI tool doesn't have its own brain. You have to tell तुम कौन हो. सबसे पहले बताना जरूरी है. Please do not directly go with keywords. तुम कौन हो. सेकंड स्टेज बताइए क्या है. Second stage is what? Who am I? I am a mechanical engineer and have done experimentation on petrol engine. The data is attached herewith. Okay? I am a mechanical engineer and have done experimentation on petrol engine. The data is attached herewith. Next, task. You are supposed to generate 4 different using this data. Please note that input parameters are E, comp ratio, and speed. The mathematical models should be able to predict BP, that is brake power. Let me check whether it is a brake power or BP, what it is. BP, okay. In terms of input parameters, I'm assigning the task now. You are supposed to generate 4 different mathematical models using the data. Please note that input parameters are E, compression ratio, and speed. The mathematical model should be able to predict BP in terms of input parameters. This is the task which I am assigning, but I have not mentioned whether the mathematical model should be linear or non-linear. So I will mention it over here. So I am mentioning 4 different non-linear mathematical models. What is stage number 4? Precaution. Ensure that the models are accurate with 95% or more R square values. So I am mentioning what should be the accuracy. I am also mentioning ensure that you share the details in non AI version. The text must be humanized. Completely. This is also I am mentioning that the text should not be AI generated. Now I have to copy this. So I am saying copy everything. Let me go to any of the LLM. So let me check it. I would like to go to Claude. I'll saying add files or photos. Go up. Now I'm pasting this entire thing I am pasted, and then on the right hand side click upward arrow, that is it starts generating now. I am using Claude.ai. You can use Perplexity also. Do not use Gemini or ChatGPT. They will not give you correct mathematical models. Look at your running command. So everything has started running now. It will start building the models. What is the speciality of Claude? It will generate you codes. Python code, if you do not want Python, it will generate C++. If you do not want, it will generate Java. All the coding will be generated. Number one. Number two, mathematical accuracy is very high. Number three, along with that, it will create you dynamic dashboards. So everything is perfectly fine. Number four is also there. It will give you compatibility in terms of copy and paste in MS Word. So that compatibility is also very, very essential. So I am just giving you the level 1. सबसे पहली स्टेज जो है वो मैं आपको एक्सप्लेन कर रहा हूँ using Claude. So it is something running model 1, 3, 4 or well above 95. Model 2 let's improvement. Let me enhance it. So model number 2 getting enhanced. I am not able to see anything because the models are getting generated. I just would like to reiterate what I have done. I have not directly started with typing in the command box of AI tool. I opened Word file. Everything is typed in Word because if I have to make some corrections, I will be able to do it in Word very nicely. Once everything is done, copy and paste, attach your file, it will generate on its own. Give it a time to generate. Okay, I'm giving you one side the content generation in terms of PDF, learning resources, audio, video, flip chart, quiz, flashcards, everything content related. On the other side, infographics, and the third part of it is research. So a lot of tools are available. Now all 4 models are ready. Let me generate the Word document. Fantastic. It is also generating Word document. Imagine that if you are doing your PhD, how much time it will take for you to generate mathematical models using software like Minitab. You will be spending days, months together to understand how to understand the software and generate models. Here, it is with click. You give the command, go for a cup of coffee, come back, everything is ready. Within minutes, it will generate. Remember, Claude is very powerful, but it has got its own limitation. एक certain task करने के बाद में वो रुक जाएगा. It will ask you to come after 8 hours, after 10 hours, or tomorrow. Come back again after that time. It will continue. जहाँ पे छोड़ दिया था उसके आगे वो continue करेंगे. Okay. So generating the Word document, all non-linear models. I think these things are going well. It will take its own time. And I'm keeping this session in the meantime open for you to ask questions related to this session number 3. Session 1, 2 are khatam. If you have some quick questions, please ask session number 3. Because next 2 to 3 minutes we are going to wind up. Please ask questions. Any question? Okay. Go to Microsoft Copilot and there is one icon which comes over here. The spectral icon.
From Microsoft Copilot.
Ah.
Go from Microsoft, not directly in Google.
No, not directly in Google. You have to go to Copilot and then start using it. You have to go to Copilot.
I have it in my laptop.
Ah. So there's a dedicated key, just press it, it will open and then go for that lens and then it will directly go to your document. Any question?
There is a lens in Copilot.
Lens in Copilot? In that case, you need to use a dedicated laptop with a key, which I have. In fact, there's a Copilot enabled laptop, AI enabled, where you can go it, or else something that you find it over here. It is missing over here. No, it's missing. Just appear over here. Laptop order करता है तो इसे लेना नहीं था. But at the same time, you can give oral commands; it will understand. Okay, let me show you what things have been generated over here. Are you able to see what is there on the right hand side? Please have a look at it. This is something like a complete research paper. Please have a look at this. Everybody will pay attention. On the right hand side, there's a research paper, non-linear mathematical models for breakout prediction. Everything prepared by everything. All tables, summary, all mathematical models with a description, coefficient table, everything is ready with all accuracies. My goodness, the entire research paper is ready, almost ready. Are you able to feel the power of Claude now? Within few minutes, you are jumping directly into all generation. You can do optimization, you can do mathematical modeling, you can do predictive analysis, you can plot the graphs. Everything is possible using Claude. The next parallel tool, if you are not able to use Claude, is Perplexity. Perplexity के लिए अगर आप Pro में जाते हैं, you will be having a very good power in your hand. So please use it. The third option which you can have is go for a Pro in Gemini and go for deep research. But the quality of mathematical modeling by Pro at Gemini will be a little less than what you are getting in Claude. Claude will directly give you a research paper. Gemini will not give you. Okay? Gemini can be used for the introduction part, literature review. Literature review cannot be done by Claude. It can be done very nicely by Perplexity. So these are very small differences. So on the right hand side, we have a paper. It's a very good question. She is asking whether the plagiarism is getting reduced. Now it depends on you, not depending on AI. You have to train the model continuously. देखिए मैं आपको एक कहानी बताता हूँ. एक फैकल्टी मेंबर एक कॉलेज में नए रिक्रूट होते हैं, तो सबसे पहले दिन सारे लोग उनको हेल्प नहीं करते. सबसे पहले दिन हम इंट्रोडक्शन लेते, फिर दूसरे दिन हम कैंटीन में मिलते हैं, 8-10 दिन के बाद में हम फैमिली के साथ में मिलते हैं, 1 महीने के बाद में we enjoy the things. Later on we understand each other. AI is something like that. You have to continuously train. बातें करो AI से. AI will understand that you do not want plagiarism. You want everything humanized. Keep on training, keep on experimenting. A day will come that AI will remember each and everything. Talk to AI that I would like to publish a paper. Say to AI that it should be 100% humanized. Talk to it that AI plagiarism tool like Turnitin AI will be giving me less than 10% AI plagiarism. That command is also required to be given. So all these things, when you talk to AI will understand. Otherwise, it will all create all plagiarism kind of thing. I am not telling you to go unethical way to write down the paper, but I am telling you the way by which you will have ready-made material to read. एक material तुमच्याकडे असेल, which you can read and in your own words you can use it, or at least you can copy paste the table. That is not plagiarism. You can copy paste mathematical equations. That is not plagiarism. Text part you can write in your own words. So everything is ethical. Okay? Any last question? Nothing? So the time is almost up, and I would like to give the thanks to PES COE, the management, principal sir, the coordinators, Goite ma'am, all of you indeed for active participation. It is indeed a great pleasure for me to talk to you, to share my some experiences and expertise, and you were very good in reception and recepting the data from me. I'm sure that this day is all a value-added day for you, provided you have noted down those things and will be using in your life. So please use all the 3 sessions very effectively in your life. It is going to add a lot of value. So sincere thanks to all of you once again. And really looking forward for next interactions or whenever you find some help from me, I'm always there to support you. Thank you once again. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. On behalf of Phaltan Education Society's College of Engineering, Phaltan, I, Mr. Vidurvi Gunge, warmly thank you, sir, for this wonderful session. For today's all 3 sessions for active learning, dynamic learning, and the AI session, which was hands-on and which was really wonderful session, and where us faculty members learned how to create the content using Notebook LM. Then we have used Napkin AI, Gamma AI, and Copilots, where our faculties can also create research papers. And I really thank you, sir, for being here and guiding our faculty members, and hope that definitely next time also we will be calling you for the other AI tools and other.
We'll be happy to do that.
Yes, thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you. I'm taking shutdown.
So all those faculty members, participants who are there online, I'm highly thankful to you for your active participation. Thanks a lot. I'm really looking out for you to get value addition to your life. All the best to all of you.